We're going to be learning how to say good job today. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word AFЭRİN. AFЭRİN. AFERIN is bravo, or like in Italian, when you say it to females, brava, or you say it more than one people, bravi, well done, or good job. You got the idea. Now, phrases first and sentences. Phrases first. Aferin sana. Sana to you. But the natural flow is good for you. Way to go. Or sana halaldır. Aferin. You want to say when someone did something really well and deserved it, you deserved it or you truly deserve it. Well done. Aferin. Əla işti. Someone did a great job out of whatever they did. Well done, great job, or well done, excellent work. Now, sentences. Müəllim, layihəni vaxtında bitirdiyimiz üçün sinfə baxıb təbəssümlə dedi. AFƏRİN, belə davam edin. Let's see the translation, and then we'll break it down into smaller pieces. Because we finished the project on time, the teacher looked at the class and said with a smile, well done, keep it up. Now, Müəllim is the teacher. Layihəni vaxtında bitirdiyimiz üçün. Because we finished the project on time. Layihə, project, vaxt, time. Bitmək, to finish, to end. Bitir, that's imperative form. Finish. Bitirdiyimiz, the one we finished. Üçün means because. Vaxt, time, vaxtında, on time. Layihə, project, layihəni, the project. Because we finished the project on time, layihəni vaxtında bitirdiyimiz üçün, sinfə baxıb, sinif, class, sinfə, to the class, baxmaq, to look, baxıb, looked or by looking at the class. Təbəssümlə dedi. Təbəssüm is a smile, təbəssümlə with smile, dedi, in the past, said. Müəllim layihəni vaxtında bitirdiyimiz üçün sinfə baxıb təbəssümlə dedi. Aferin, belə davam edin. Well done, keep it up. The literal translation, belə davam edin, means belə as such, davam edin, continue as such. Basically, keep it up. Let's take a look at another sentence. Dostum, yarışı qazananda sevincimdən yanına qaçıb sadəcə bir söz dedim. AFERİN. Let's see the translation. When my friend won the race, I ran over in excitement and said just one word. Well done. See, dost is a friend. Dostum. Did you notice in spoken language, I did not say dostum. I said dostum because T turned into D. Dostum, my friend. Yarış is a race competition. Yarışı, the race. Qazananda, when won. Sevincimdən, in excitement, with excitement, from, out of excitement. It can both go. It depends how you will end up translating the final look. Now, in my case, I chose it. I ran over in excitement. Sevincimdən, yanına qaçıb. Yanına qaçıb, qaçmaq, to run. Yanına, by its side. In that case, run over in excitement means to your friend. Və, this is, I added it again for the sake of the right translation in English. It cannot be word for word, right? It won't mean anything, or at least something valuable. Now, yanına qaçıb, sadəcə bir söz dedim. Sadəcə, just, only. Bir söz, one word. Dedim, I said. Because technically in Azerbaijan, AFERİN is one word, but in English it's well done. But for the sake of translation, when my friend won the race, I ran over in excitement and said just one word, well done. Dostum yarışı qazananda sevincimdən yanına qaçıb sadəcə bir söz dedim. AFERİN. All right. AFERİN for staying with me so far, because that was today's word. Now let's see what I have for dad joke use. I remembered password and my password on the first try. AFERİN to me. Great job. Now, Again, if you are interested in learning Azerbaijani, its cultural aspects, historical aspects, or much more deeper structured with, I have masterazerbaijani.com and Master Azerbaijani app for you. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.